Hi guys. Today we want to start a mini series about multiplayer. I got many questions about many topics on multiplayer. So today we want to talk about replication. So maybe you asked yourself why my multiplayer character is only move on my stream and not on the other screen. So for that, I want to tell you short something about the methodic. So let us first clear what is multiplayer, what is replication actually. So for that, I have write down a little things. So multiplayer games have to be run on multiple machines. So that is, I think, obvious. Replication is a process where the game data is shared between those machines. So if we not make a replication to another machine, the other machine not knows your character is moving, your door is opening, or anything else. So we need the replication for that. So the target of replication is all players have in all possible times exact the same game data. So the world from player A is the same as the world of player 2 or player 3. And now first I say A and then I say numbers, but I hope it not distract you so much. So much for replication. Let us talk about server, clients, and replication. What is a server? A server is the main computer in this setup. He has to calculate the logic. He has to manage the health points. Had to check if something hit something, and he has to decide what goes in the game world exactly. He is the only one who decides that. The client. What is the client? The client is every other. Sorry, I will short make my my mobile phone silence. So I did it. So every other possible PC, a console, mobile phone, it is a mobile game, has to be a client. Sorry, again. So now we have talked about servers, clients, and we have talked about the things about replication, what it does, why it is there, and all about that stuff. So now let us short talk about why is movement only local visible. When you play a press, maybe you did it with your W key, and his character move on the client, so we assume client A did it. Then he have to send this over replication to the server. If he not did this, he will only move on this client. So I think we had talked a lot about this, and I think it's enough talking. Let us go on one example. I will show you one setup where the replication not work. Then I will show you what we have to do to make the replication work. So let us did it now. Hi guys, here now we are in our Unreal Engine. Let us start. Now you see we have 2 instances. And I will show you both at the same time. This will be our host, and that will be our client. And now I have implement bad replication so we can fix it. Yeah, the Steam Advance takes its time locally, but we wait short. Here we are. So if I now pick that up, you see the server can see it. Now it looks very funny, but for the purpose we get here, it's more than enough. So we want now to fix that the host can see this. And if the host pick that up, he can't, the client can't see it too. So we have here a not good replication. So let us fix it. So for that, let us look into our blueprints where we pick up that. We make it here in this. That is the first part. So we make something called custom event as a we pickup. This has to be run on server. We can make it reliable. We get all of that and bring that here. Not all. The hold item we have to get him. So we make here hold item, and that is a static mesh. And we will connect those. So here we want to call our SRV pickup, and we want to bring our hold item. So we send the locally get hold item to the SRV and tell him to make it. But we want this on every client. So we make a multi pickup, and we say here multicast reliable. And we want here the hold item. Now we take again this and bring it here. And here we call our multi pickup. So we connect the pins. So what we want is the server has to call this on every client and give the hold item to them. Refresh node. Refresh node. And on the client itself, he should pick his item, mount item, and get the static mesh from the pickup. Let us see this works. I have to bring in the armor for you here. Host, client. We have to wait. So, and you see that is more than enough. We have to tell the replication. I will go it through for you one more time. We had to make and run on server reliable. You not must do that, but on things that do one action reliable is a good thing. You have to make a server event. When give all necessary things calculated on the client, like our interaction here, to the server, and the server will share that with all clients and do the action on all client for the character. So maybe you have 2 players, so you have 2 characters. One shadow character on the server, one shadow character on the client for the server. And if you have more players, it goes up. So you have to share that around. Okay, so we get all we want in this video. If you have any questions about this topic, drop it in the comments. I reply to all of them. Yeah, if you're not at our Discord at the moment, I would love to see you there. If you want, let me subscribe there, and see you guys.